Now let's go live now to Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport. Delta Airlines emailed SkyMiles members about how it's helping customers during this outbreak. Delta has a command center, by the way, in Atlanta, handling reservations and calls to change flights. Workers are also cleaning all planes, using hand sanitizer, and of course using gloves.
Channel 2 investigative reporter Mark Whitney is live at the airport now, where he went one-on-one with the man who oversees cleaning procedures for the world's busiest airport. Mark.
And Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport says it sees about 380,000 passengers a day, about 14,000 in the international terminal where we shot this story about making sure cleaning at the airport keeps them as safe from coronavirus as can reasonably be expected.
The changes that we've put in place as you look at the touch points of where the passengers and the team members may actually make contact with surfaces. You look at the handrails, you look at the railings on the escalators. Those are areas that we really want to focus on. You look at seating, public seating areas, being able to wipe the armrests down and the backs of those seats.
Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. Keeping the airport clean in the coronavirus crisis comes under the job description of Stephen Masico, he says, as head of operations for Atlanta Airlines Terminal Company.
Created to manage the operations of the airport.
A lot of responsibility on the cleaning workers.
It is a great deal of responsibility on them. We have a great relationship and contract with the folks at CSM who do this for us in here. They will always be wearing gloves as they're cleaning the environment, and they will be very cognizant and reminded of bringing their hands to their face, always sanitizing, using the soap and washing your hands for 20 seconds.
Have you added cleaning products specifically for coronavirus?
The products that we've used already are approved by the CDC. The soap products that we use in the restroom are again approved by the CDC.
Masico says his company is helping the airport with a plan to add 400 hand sanitizer stations in the airport.
We have not added any additional manpower or man hours right now. Each of the areas, as you look at gatehouses, get cleaned about 5 times a day. And so what we're doing is maximizing the efficiency of the staff that we have out here right now.
Now we're standing near the nerve center for the airport, heavily involved in airport operations to deal with the coronavirus threat. The public rarely sees what happens in there, but we are working on taking you inside that operation and specifics on the coronavirus threat response for Channel 2 Action News at 6. Reporting live, Mark Whitney, Channel 2 Action News.